Can a woman demand privacy during sensitive legal proceedings in India? Yes, a woman can demand privacy during sensitive legal proceedings because dignity, privacy, and fair treatment are part of lawful process, not something outside it. Under the Constitution, Articles 14, 15, and 21 together support the idea that a woman must be treated with equality, dignity, and personal liberty during legal proceedings. That means legal process is not supposed to expose her unnecessarily or strip away privacy without lawful reason. Privacy in legal proceedings does not mean secrecy for its own sake. It means protection from unnecessary exposure, humiliation, intimidation, or disclosure when the matter is sensitive and directly affects dignity, bodily autonomy, safety, or personal life. In legal terms, privacy can matter in how a woman is heard, how proceedings are conducted, how information is handled, and how far public exposure is allowed. This is an inference from the constitutional guarantees of equality, liberty, and dignity. This becomes clearer in specific laws. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act allows proceedings to be held in camera in appropriate situations. That reflects a legal recognition that women can seek protection without being forced through a process that casually ignores privacy and dignity. The same broader legal principle appears in workplace law. The Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act states that sexual harassment violates a woman's fundamental rights to equality under Articles 14 and 15 and her right to life and to live with dignity under Article 21. That shows Indian law directly connects redress in sensitive matters with dignity, not just technical procedure. Privacy concerns can also arise where proceedings involve intimate facts, bodily integrity, sexual misconduct, domestic abuse, private communications, or exposure of personal material. In such situations, a woman is not expected to surrender dignity simply because she has approached the law for remedy. She can object when process becomes unnecessarily public, degrading, or invasive. This is an inference from the constitutional framework and the cited statutes. Of course, the exact procedural protection depends on the kind of case, the law involved, and the court or authority handling it. But the basic principle is clear. A woman can seek privacy during sensitive legal proceedings where dignity and lawful protection require it. Privacy is not opposed to justice. In many situations, it helps justice operate more fairly. This final point is an inference based on the structure and purpose of the cited legal protections. So in simple words, yes, a woman can demand privacy during sensitive legal proceedings because dignity and privacy are part of lawful treatment itself, and the legal system does recognize that in appropriate cases. Indian laws explained. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.